We don't know how to play it, and he doesn't know what he's singing, so...
It can't be that hard. It can't be that hard.
I'm really scared.
I'm pretty sure there's plenty of people in this room who know all the words to this song.
And I'm really drunk.
Marvellous.
What song is it? No, tell me what song!
No, we're not telling you. We're not telling you. Just go with it.
Alright. And what song do you like? What song? Do you like singing? Right? If I don't know this song, it's going to be the awkwardest moment in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we're so happy to see everybody out here tonight. We're happy to see Lord Gavinman, Tragadowers, everybody in the world. Thank you for having such a good night. Someone to love, sweet out of miss, and a sugar kiss. I need you, I need you, I need you in the morning when my soul's on fire. Sometimes I feel a little sad inside while my baby mistreats me. I never have a place to hide in you. Sometimes I feel a little sad inside while my baby mistreats me. I never have a place to hide in you. You, I need you, I need you, I need I need I need Instrumental. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming out. If you did come out for my birthday, thank you very much. If you didn't come out for my birthday, thank you for coming out and sharing this lovely moment here with Chen Stevens and the Hiccups. They've been absolutely terrific. Yous have been absolutely fantastic. Have a brilliant night. Thank you. Sweet out of mills, and a sugar kiss. I need you, I need you, I need you in the morning when my soul's on fire. I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you.
Mr. David Hopper, everybody! Marvellous. I'm so glad that went to plan. That would have been terribly awkward.